To understand CSS properly, we need to get familiar with the box model, which applies to every HTML element. To see how the box model works, let's add another div below our existing one and give both unique IDs. So the first ID will be About Me, and the second div will have ID Box Model. Now let's simplify our CSS by keeping only the essential styles. So I'm going to remove all these styles we practiced on in previous lesson, and I will apply these styles to About Me ID, and at this point the page should look like this. The box model is essentially an invisible box around every element. Let's visualize it by adding a border to our second div. So hashtag box model, border 10 pixels, solid, and let's pick out some color. Each box has a margin, which is the space outside the border. Margin 50 pixels. This adds space around each side of the element. Margins are transparent, so they don't have any color. Let's also add padding. Padding 30 pixels. Padding is a space between the content and the border of the element. We can also control the size of the element. For example, width 300 pixels and height 400 pixels. Now our box is so big that we might need to scroll down to see it. When you set width and height in CSS, you're only defining the content area. The total size of an element also includes padding, border, and margins. Here's a quick breakdown of the CSS box model. In the center, we have our content. Content has height and width. Padding is a space between content and the border. Border is the visible outline around the element. Margin is transparent space outside the border, pushing the element away from others.